South African football mourns World Cup midfielder Jayden after tragic death at 25. The South African football is mourning following the death of Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jayden, who has passed away at the age of 25, less than 2 weeks after representing his country at the 2026 FIFA World Cup. That breaking news was confirmed on Sunday by the South African Football Players Union, SAFPU, which described Adams as a talented footballer whose career and life were cut tragically short. The union paid tribute to the midfielder's contribution to both club and country, saying his death is a huge loss to South African football. In a statement, SAFPU said Adams had proudly carried the hopes of the nation during the World Cup, displaying courage, determination, and commitment on football's biggest stage. The union also extended its condolences to his family, teammates, Mamelodi Sundowns, former club, Stellenbosch FC, and football supporters across the country. The cause of Adams' death has not been disclosed. A family spokesperson requested privacy as relative mourned the loss of the young football star, but people are saying that he committed suicide in his room. Adam was part of the South Africa's squad of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, where he featured in all 3 group stage matches. He started the team's opening 2 matches before remaining on the bench during the round of 32 defeat to Canada. Overall, he played 116 minutes during the tournament. During the World Cup, Adams drew admiration after playing in South Africa's 1-1 draw against the Czech Republic just 1 day after learning of the death of his grandmother. His decision to represent his country despite his personal grief was widely praised by fans and football observers. Born in Cape Town, Adams developed through the Stellenbosch FC Academy before making his senior debut. Between 2020 and 2025, he made more than 100 appearances for the club, establishing himself as one of Africa's brightest midfield talents. His impressive performances earned him a move to Mamelodi Sundowns in 2025. At the club, he featured in 40 South African Premiership matches and continued to strengthen his reputation as a hardworking and technically gifted midfielder. On the international stage, Adams earned 9 appearances for South Africa after making his debut in 2022. He also scored 2 goals for the national team. Tribute continues to pour in from teammates, clubs, and supporters as South Africa remembers a promising footballer whose life ended far too soon. His passing leaves a significant void in both South African football and the hearts of those who knew and admired him.